Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 2000 Porsche Boxster S. If you have ever wanted a new 24-year-old Boxster, you would be hard-pressed to find something better than this. It has just over 5,800 miles. It's a 6-speed manual. It's a beautiful slate gray metallic over graphite gray full leather interior. We did an oil service on it. The oil was beautiful. Cutting open the oil filter, all of that looked excellent. And we sent off a sample to Blackstone Laboratories, who gave us a clean bill of health. We also have a clean DME report showing about 380 engine hours, 0 red lines, and 0 over revs. Current mileage sits at 5,868 miles. It still has some new car smell. It drives really tight and nice, and just the driving experience is so great. You know, the average 50, 60,000 mile Boxster is a great car. Driving this back to back, there's a difference. Inside is all in nice shape. It has been used, so there are creases in the leather. But overall, everything looks nice. The factory radio works well. HVAC controls all look nice. Gauges all work properly. It has the hi-fi stereo. It has heated seats. And just look at it. It's a great car. Obviously not perfect. It is 24 years old. But oh my gosh, it's fantastic. So there you have it. Our 2000 Porsche Boxster S.